This is hey everybody. We're on our 7-day trip around New South Wales, and yeah, day one, hey. We've just come from with day two. We've just come from Leeton. So what do you think of hay, Grunt?
Oh, it's a nice little town, isn't it? I've noticed that all the women are tall though.
They're tall.
They're like big stallions, broodmares or something. They're huge.
Broodmares. Interesting, mate.
Very tall, long hair and. Oh,
but
should spend a bit more time here.
We should. Hey, that's a great idea. But anyhow, we've just raided the Robertson hot bread kitchen. We've just rated them a 6.5 for their egg and bacon roll. I didn't think it wasn't a traditional roll.
No, it was unique.
It was different, but look, the taste was there. The service was good, and I went to go and interview the lady. She was a bloody card. It's too bad we couldn't film her. She was in that much of a hurry for a break. She had to nick off.
Yeah. But do you remember though? She was tall.
She was tall.
Long hair.
Stallion like.
Broodmare
like. Yes, yeah. But anyhow, that's hay. So stick around, and we might see a few more egg and bacon rolls on this trip. What do you reckon, bro?
You certainly will.
So we've come to a place, and it's called Robertson's Hot Bread, and we're just going to see who's inside. Oh, what do you know? Run!
Get away from me!
I can't believe it. He looks half the weight, don't you think? But anyhow, we've ordered an egg and bacon roll, and they're very busy. It's hustle and bustle in this place. This place called hay. Do you remember Morris from around Australia? Say good day, Morris.
G'day, guys. How are you?
So Grunt. But how did you survive around Australia in 35 egg and bacon rolls?
Well, mate, I tell you what, I had to get a whole new wardrobe when I went home. Couldn't fit in anything.
You couldn't fit in nothing.
So now I was ham and cheese to run. No bacon there.
Oh, it's embarrassing. But we have ordered an egg and bacon roll. And one thing I did notice, because we didn't have the cameras run, notice that how busy they are over there. They ask what sauce straight off the bat. They are on the ball in hay. So let's try to see what we get in hay. Well, here we go. She was too quick for us to get cranberry. She threw that egg and bacon roll down faster than you did. But it's a very different egg and bacon roll. What do you think about that?
It's flat, mate, like a hay plane. I just wondered, is it like
It's a flat hay plane roll.
Yeah. But
she's done.
It's been run out.
We've opened it up. There's not much fun. It's hard, man.
I don't even think you should rate this one, mate.
But we have to rate it. But I must admit the service was really good, because she was like ordered an egg and bacon roll. She wanted to know exactly who I was and where I'm from.
So, I've seen your post from last trip.
No, she hasn't. We're not that famous. So anyway, I'm going to have a go at this one.
All right, mate. Let's see what your toast.
It's toasted. It's got sesame seeds on it. It's warm. There's a bit of goo. There's a little bit of goo. Yeah, there's a little bit of goo. So anyway, we're going to give it a go. You want to? Does the taste test work? I actually like it.
But I've noticed something. It's only an 8 of the thickness of that one. And huge.
Oh God, the dinosaur one, that was huge. But I don't mind the crispy bun. I don't mind the sesame seed. Just enough sauce. Eggs cooked well.
It's flat now.
It's flat now. It's not the traditional looking egg and bacon roll.
No, far from it.
But
Hey, it's hay.
it's hay. Hey, we're in hay. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna have to give it a 6.5.
6.5. I'm just wondering, that's probably about egg and bacon roll because people are on a diet.
A light one. But anyhow, we're in Hutt. We've given at the Robertson hot bread shop, and we've given our first one of our inner New South Wales trip.
Robert.
6.5.
6.5.